Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Curseforge on laptop. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here's a general guide on how to access Curseforge on your laptop. Launch your preferred web browser on your laptop. Then go to the official Curseforge website. The URL is in the description below, but it's recommended to check for any updates or changes. Use the navigation menu or the search bar to explore the available mods for supported games. You can find mods for games like Minecraft and more. Click on the mod to view its details, including descriptions, screenshots, and download options. On the mod page, look for a download or a similar button. Click on it to initiate the download of the mod file. Depending on the game and the modding process, you might need to follow specific installation instructions. These instructions are often provided on the mod page or in accompanying documentation. If you created an account on Curseforge, you may have additional features such as the ability to track and manage your downloaded mods. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.